Everybody, Brian Cunningham, Restoration Concrete here in the Metro Atlanta area. As always, we have a fun project for you. We want to show you from start to finish, and what it's going to entail is doing some grading, putting a driveway to the back where there's a downstairs apartment. So we're going to show you right now exactly what we're going to do, and then we're going to get started. Thanks for watching. All right, we are done. Took us 3 days. The first day we graded and did a little over half the wall. Second day we poured it. Third day we came out and finished the wall and cleaned everything up. Very, very happy.